Have you ever looked at someone speaking fluent English and thought, how do they do it? I've been there, struggling with the basics, wishing I could speak without hesitation or embarrassment. But guess what? I went from barely understanding English to speaking it like a pro, and today I'm going to share exactly how I did it. In this video, I'll break down the steps I took from beginner to fluent that transformed my English skills. And trust me, they're super practical and something you can start doing today. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited to improve your English and smash that subscribe button for more helpful tips. Let's jump in. We've all been there. You're in a conversation and someone asks you a question and you're left stammering, trying to find the right words. Your mind goes blank, you get frustrated, and suddenly, you just want to walk away. Sound familiar? I get it. Learning a new language, especially English, can be intimidating. But here's the thing. If I can go from that stressed, confused beginner to a confident English speaker, so can you. I know it feels tough, but let me tell you, the process isn't as hard as it seems. And by the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to start your journey today. The key to learning English fluently isn't in studying for hours every day. It's all about consistency and immersing yourself in the language in fun, practical ways. You don't need to sit in a classroom for years to get better. You need to make English part of your daily life, step by step. I'm going to walk you through the methods I used to get from beginner to fluent. Trust me, if you follow these, you'll be amazed at how much progress you make. Step 1, learn while you sleep. First up, let me tell you about a game-changing tip, learning while you sleep. Now, I know this sounds a bit weird, but hear me out. You can listen to English audio before you sleep. It's not a magical trick, but it helps your brain absorb English passively. Whether it's a podcast, audiobook, or even a YouTube video in English, just turn it on before bed. Your brain will process the language while you rest, and over time, you'll start picking up phrases and vocabulary without even trying. Step 2, immersion, immersion, immersion. The second step I swear by is immersion. If you want to speak fluently, you need to surround yourself with English. And no, I'm not talking about moving to an English-speaking country, though that would help. I'm talking about simple things like changing your phone language to English, following English-speaking accounts on social media, or watching movies and TV shows without subtitles. The more you hear and see the language, the more natural it becomes. Step 3, start speaking. Now, this is where most people get stuck. They're scared to speak because they don't feel good enough. But here's the deal. You have to speak, even if you make mistakes. Talk to your friends in English, join online English groups, or even talk to yourself in the mirror. It feels awkward at first, but it's the only way to get over the fear and improve. Step 4, use language apps. You've probably heard of language learning apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Memrise. And let me tell you, they work. The trick is to use them consistently. I use Duolingo every day for 10 to 15 minutes, and it helped me build a strong foundation. It's like having a mini English class in your pocket. Now, let's talk about the results. When I first started, I could barely hold a conversation in English, but within a few months, I was having full-on discussions with native speakers, understanding movies without subtitles, and even thinking in English. It didn't happen overnight, but every step I took built on the previous one, and before I knew it, I had achieved fluency. Imagine being able to travel to any country, watch your favorite English shows without subtitles, or have smooth conversations with people around the world. That's the power of learning English. You've got the tips. Now it's time to take action and start your own journey. If you're ready to take your English skills to the next level, drop a comment below and tell me which tip you're going to try first. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy language hacks. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Remember, the road to fluency isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Take small steps every day, and before you know it, you'll be speaking English with confidence. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you feel more confident and motivated to get started on your English learning journey. I know you can do it, so keep pushing and don't give up. I've got some great content coming up on how to expand your vocabulary, practice your pronunciation, and even learn English through music. So, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.